Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling wrist temperature measurements on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, your watch measures your wrist temperature as you sleep. Your wrist temperature will vary from night to night and will fluctuate naturally based on exercise, alcohol, illness and other things. Changes in your wrist temperature can provide insight into your well-being. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap privacy and security. Then scroll down the privacy and security settings and tap health. Scroll down and tap wrist temperature. Then tap the toggle to the right of wrist temperature to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, your watch will measure your wrist temperature. When grey, it will not. You can see your wrist temperature data in the Health app on your phone. Open the Health app and tap Browse. Then tap Body Measurements. Tap Wrist Temperature. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.